Welcome back to the Vlogs Underdogs. It's me, your boy Eric, and yes, I just got off work, so I'm wearing all these dress shirts. I swear I'm not trying to flex, but I just got off work, and I just want to do something with my car. So, let's get to it. But it's really windy down here in Southern Alberta. It's like every single time I vlog, it's really windy, and it's getting really annoying. Like, I just want to do my car. And this is why I really need a garage. So what are we gonna do with a Z this time? I mean, I did my suspension, my rear camber arm, so that the alignment is nearly straight. It wasn't, so whatever, right? This is probably something people don't consider when they build their Z. So yeah, they're probably gonna go for a cold air intake. And then there's me, who actually just does the bare minimum. How are we gonna do this? Well, we just need two tools. That's it, really. So let's go. Yeah, boom, boom, probably this too, boom. That's all we need to do this on this mod. So let's get to it. Why are we replacing this with these nice looking Z or Z1 silicone hoses? Well, to be honest, you don't really want your airflow bouncing off through this corrugated tubing. Why? Well, it's kind of like hindering airflow. Not by much, but it's still something. Why am I not going with a cold air intake route? Well, because I'm planning to go forced induction, so I want to save my money instead of buying cold air intake and then replacing it, and probably definitely doing a resale with those cold air intake and losing money. So instead of doing that, I'm just opting out with this small mod, and it's not going to be it won't break the bank, honestly. So plus Nissan is definitely know what they're doing with their engineering, so why bother replacing all of that? I mean, this is already a cold air intake, honestly. It takes, you know, cold air from behind the bumper, take it in, boom. It's your car. This is very subjective. I'm just telling you that that's what I'm thinking. So I'm just gonna stop with the rant. Let's just do it. Oh, before we do the mod, actually, let's take a little bit of audio. It's really windy and I hate this, but let's try it anyway. We're probably gonna have engine noise difference from stock to the new one, so I mean, it won't be that much, but let's see. Okay. So these are the tools that we're going to use. You could probably use pliers. I'm just going to use this, I don't know what this is, I totally forgot. And a 8mm long socket. We can remove the strut bar. You can remove that. I mean, it'll be definitely easy. But let's see without removing stuff with just these two tools. Without removing the strut bar, the orientation was like this. I mean, I said previously that you can remove this hose clamp, but well, look at that. You can access it actually by removing this. This one just came off from that one, so I don't know if it was meant to be like in all the way, but it wasn't. So okay, we got this out. We could probably put that in. Let's see how much struggle we can make out of this. Okay, so we're just going to reuse all of the OEM clamps, and yeah, do it. These bad boys actually have a name. They are the Z1Z34 post-MAF sensor. Well, post-MAF hose set. Well, what does that mean? Here's your MAF sensor. Since it's after, which is post, what is the difference? As you can see, this is thinner, corrugated, and you can see inside, right? And with these ones, they are literally smooth as heck. So think about breathing through this, which is thinner, and with this rib style, this one's just free flowing, baby, free flowing. So you can't definitely miss this, you know, the orientation. They look wherever they are going, that's the side where they are, where you're gonna use it. Oh my god, that's a B. Is that a B? Oh my god, that's a B. So my phone is dying. We're just gonna take this piece, transfer it there, hope for the best that it's gonna be just and then put the clamps on. Okay, I'm gonna go back and charge my phone actually. Yeah, remember when I said you don't really have to remove the crossbar? I mean, yeah, you can. It'll take you forever to like maneuver yourself into underneath this bar. Is that a crossbar? No, it's a strut bar, right? I don't know cars at all, so don't listen to me. I'm gonna take this off. I've done this already in a previous video, like right over here. So I didn't research this before actually doing it. I just thought, hey, it's just a piece of hose. It's not going to be difficult to put. But yeah, it was right. It was just a piece of hose, but there's a lot of tugging and whatnot. I mean, you could definitely remove the throttle body. As far as I'm concerned, you can remove that to make it easier for you. But what I did was just literally insert the bottom piece, right? And then I just went ham and then just pushed it all the way down, and then make sure that the bottom one latches on, and then you use your use any pry tool, not a crowbar, to just push the silicone out so it holds into position. You can do that. I mean, this is very durable. It showed the durability of Z1 products. It's really great. I must say, I definitely recommend. And yeah, it's a silicone material, so it can withstand a little bit of beating. So I learned my lessons around here. I could definitely just replicate it on the other side. And after that, you can pop this out. Okay, let's pop it out. Okay, to access your OEM filters, just two latches here. Boom, pull this out. Nice. So this is dirty, as you can see. It was worse when I tried to vacuum out the stuff, but holy smokes, this loves the bugs. And you can see, what is that? Just a clump of bugs. Disgusting, I know. I hope you're not eating and really squeamish about that stuff. But yeah, so we're just gonna replace this OEM. I think that's OEM, and replace it with K&N. And make sure it's not oiled up, because it's gonna mess up your MAF sensor. Because oil sticks into the MAF sensor reads something, boom, and it just sends wrong data to your ECU. Is that true, Eric? You know me, I'm no expert on this one. I'm just making stuff up. Okay? Alright. How to replace that? So to replace these, basically just take it in your hand, flip it over, boom, done, right? But obviously you gotta figure out the orientation. Again, man, I love that word, orientation. Let's try to replace it with a newer one. Of course, K&N as usual. Pretty nice packaging. So great thing about these is that you don't have to change this every single time. You don't have to pay like 15 bucks for a new filter. You can just take it out and clean it. Don't put oil in it, like I told you, and it should be good. So yeah, instructions and probably some stickers inside. I'm not going to use that because I'm not a hot boy. Kidding, I used to do that, so there's no shame in that, right? So how to determine where's the in and where's the out? Give me a sec. one on the bottom. Stick one on the bottom, and just. Oh, is that right? Is this right? Oh hell yeah! That's it. That's it, folks. Okay, so you can probably replicate this to the other side that I just did. You can take out a 10 mil here. Pop out your air box, so you can get into an angle that you can just slide in. You can do that, totally up to you. Alright, so I had to do a sideline quest because I accidentally dropped one of those bad boys inside here, so I had to remove the bumper, yada yada yada. Long story short, every single time I make a friggin' video, it's either windy, running out of time, it's taking forever. Well, I'm sorry guys, I am not an expert. So here we are. Beautiful Z1 post-mav host set. It definitely looks so much better in the engine bay now. And obviously it's not just a hose, we also upgraded our air filter with the K&N reusable filter. So garbage, not garbage. Garbage, not garbage. Okay, so now we just gotta put back the that one because I don't know the name apparently, and we're gonna do a little bit of rev, okay, and then we're gonna call it a day. Alright guys, well that's it for this episode. I mean, well, it's just a minor air intake mod, it's not a big deal, but hey, I mean, it looks nice. Maybe, I don't know, I don't see the difference with the sound, so, and I haven't driven it out yet, so I don't know, we'll see. We'll do a little bit of review after, you know, a month of having this and that, just to make sure you guys are up to speed on all of my wasted money inside the Z. So if you like the video guys, hit the like. If you haven't subscribed yet, I mean, we just hit 60 subscribers, it's not a big deal. I'm really thankful for that. So you know, just hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next episode, guys. Take it easy, folks.